Hello people, this is Legal Talent from Yarcrypto.com bringing you an update on the Bitcoin chart. So right now, if we look at the higher time frame, we start off with the daily to get a more macro view of the price action. We can see that we've been having somewhat of a red day in terms of a candle for Bitcoin, and it looks like we only have 5 hours left for this candle to go. So what kind of levels can we look out for and maybe get some sense of what's going on? And maybe if we reach the bottom, are we indicating that? So let's take a look at some levels here. So if we can take a fib retracement from this swing low here on the 26th, we're going to go over here to the 29th. And as we can see here, we've crashed through the 618 and the 0.66 fib level on this current candle, and we're currently below the 0.786 fib level. So what we'd like to see at the minimum is a retracement back up and closing above the 786 at the minimum. So for now, let's get a little micro view and let's look at the 4 hour and see what's going on with the price. You can see here that we're currently on a downtrend based off of the price action. We've been forming lower highs on the price, all the while also forming lower lows on the price. But if there's any silver lining here that we can maybe look at is that at the moment we are forming some bullish divergences on the 4 hour here for Bitcoin. If we look at the RSI and the price, they're doing pretty much the opposite. We have a higher low here on the price action, and consequently the price is actually forming a lower low, which is a bullish reaction, and we should see the next candle turn green, or, depending on if the sell pressure does increase, then we may see some more potential downward movement. Again, this is a lagging indication, the RSI. So we must take into account that it is a moving averages of the candles. And there is a chance that the newer candles, with some sell pressure can change the trajectory here, and we can kind of undo this bearish divergence that's been forming. So this is something to look out for. We are trading below resistance at the moment, so we would be looking for a short position, not so much a long position when we're below resistance. So we would like to see the price to go above the 786, and we open up the new candle in about an hour. Above there would be the bullish scenario. Currently, we are showing some signs of a wick forming, and if we can form a dragonfly doji or some kind of doji here and get a green full body decision candle forming on the next 4 hour, then I'd feel comfortable possibly putting a long position in. But for now, we're going to be playing it by ear. We still have an hour left to go on the 4 hour. If we take a more micro look as well, we can see here that the 1 hour is currently showing some signs of upward momentum, but again, we are trading at resistance at the moment, so we can get rejected at this 0.786 fib level once again, and so that's something we want to look out for. So yeah, the targets to look out for at the moment are to get support at the 786 if you are bullish, but if you're overall bearish, we would look to see rejection here and find some resistance solidified, and then you maybe can put some short positions in. But at the moment, my current levels that I'm looking for to break before we can consider us moving up to the upside is to get above, once again, the golden pocket and break these previous highs that we had here on the 14th and on the 13th. Once we do that, we can solidify that the trend is reversed in my eyes, and then we can possibly make a movement to the upside. But until that happens, let's keep an eye out and be careful out there, guys. This has been Legal Talent with Yarcrypto.com, and have a great day.